What would I do if I had 6 months to prepare and I wanted to become a front-end focused software engineer? With 6 months to spare, I would definitely consider taking Meta's front-end developer professional certificate offered on Coursera. This is completely beginner friendly. It should take you about 7 months if you're putting in 6 hours of work a week, but come on, we can do better. It teaches you everything you need to know to kickstart your career in front-end development. You're going to learn to program in JavaScript, the language of the web, and then you're going to follow that up by learning how to use Git to do version control. You're going to take a deep dive into how HTML and CSS works, and then you're going to learn the most popular JavaScript-based framework used to build out web and mobile applications, React. You're going to put all that knowledge together to build out a capstone project that you can add to your portfolio. The link to sign up for this professional certificate is in my bio. Next up in phase 2, we're going to learn data structures and algorithms. The front-end focus route, you need to pay more attention to array sets, stacks, queues, and maps. And while you need to understand how trees, graphs, and linked lists work, for the interview, you're probably not going to be tested too thoroughly on them. Just so you know, FreeCodeCamp offers a 8+ hour long video on introducing data structures to you that is offered by a Google engineer. This is completely free on YouTube. Probably not going to need to know these algorithms on your day-to-day as a front-end focused engineer, but you should probably know these so that you can clear the very selective interviews. Okay, so because we took Coursera certification, we already have an individual project on our portfolio. Now it's time to work on a team project. Whatever project you decide to go with, I recommend you using React to build out the components, and you're going to need to connect it to a database for data persistence. Then I want you to go through a blind list of 75 lead code problems. These are lead code problems that are organized by data structure and algorithm type and give you a flavor of all the different kinds of problems you may face in an interview. Now remember, it's okay to revisit a lot of these problems if you can't get them on the first try, but it is important that you go through this entire list. And then finally, having done all that, you are now ready to apply to jobs. So you should not shy away from putting in an application at big tech companies. Just make sure you network on LinkedIn so that you can get referrals for the jobs that you're truly interested in before you put in an application. Cheers, and I will see you on the other side.